Hey there. Thanks for watching my Traffic Shark review by Glynn Kosky, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page and show you a demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This Traffic Shark review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into this dashboard myself, and I'm going to take you with me as we research this platform, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as I can. Now, let's see what Traffic Shark promises us. Brand new first-to-market app plus system for 2022. In the next 60 seconds, 3-step free traffic system makes them $279 per day. Out of all these bullet points on the right, what you're going to get out of this is that Traffic Shark is going to let you quit your job and you're finally going to make sales. It's brand new for 2022 with free buyer traffic and 800 million buyers. And it's also made for beginners with zero tech skills, zero experience. It's even designed for beginners. But if we scroll down just a little bit and take a look at some of these beginners, Taylor Gwynn is on a product that Glynn Kosky released in December of 2019. So 2 years ago, she was a beginner or experienced then. Same person. So if she's been using his products for 2 years and is still a beginner, that is something to worry about. Here we are in the Traffic Shark dashboard. All of Glynn Kosky's products look really similar, and they do have some different functions. But after I got in here, I did realize that this is exactly the same dashboard as Commission Loophole, which I did a review on previously. You still have your campaigns, you have done for you and bonuses. You have your Warrior Plus database, which would be your products, and then free traffic, upgrades, help. So Traffic Shark is just another version of a product that he's already put out in August. Next, we'll always go into the tutorials. In here, you're going to have about 25 minutes of training for Traffic Shark. The rest of it is training that he puts into all of his products. It's about traffic on a YouTube channel, but as far as the Traffic Shark training, it is only about 30 minutes. And in the overview, you realize that the strategy for Traffic Shark is to create a squeeze page or an email opt-in page. And instead of using a thank you page or an offer, they actually want you to use a product with free opt-in access. And of course, Glynn Kosky wants you to do that with 3 of his previous products. Once they have their free access, you will follow up with emails and try to make commissions and sales with the upsells of the product you just gave them free access to. These 3 previous products from Glynn Kosky, let's see if we can take a look at them. First, we'll look at Glynn Kosky on Monday. He does have Traffic Shark launching on January 27th. And if we take a look at his list of previous products, the only one in here is Profit Stream right now, which was earlier this month, and then Traffic Shark on the 27th. So his previous products are no longer listed in Munchai for some reason. You can tell these are listed on Warrior Plus for sale. So if we go to the Warrior Plus dashboard, I typed in Profit Stream and it did pull up Glynn Kosky's dashboard with all of his 44 previous products. So I'm not sure why he erased them out of Munchai, but if we scroll down, here are the 3 products: Recurring Profit Machine, Commission Replicator, and Affiliate. If we look at their product offer page and go to the Products tab, you can see that Commission Replicator has a special free option. Once you request approval, that is what you would send out as your lead magnet. So to get started with your campaigns, you are going to need to pick out some products. Like I said, with these 3 products on the Warrior Plus dashboard, you will have to request and wait for approval to get an affiliate link to promote these products. A lot of newbie affiliate marketers have problems getting approved because they don't have any past history or sales. Glynn Kosky is not guaranteeing that you will get approved for these to use with Traffic Shark. If you didn't get approved, you would need to find offer pages, go into the product section, and see if they have anything special and free. That's going to take a lot of research if you don't get approved to promote his products. On the dashboard, he does give you a Warrior Plus database. If we look at that, it's very basic. It gives you an offer name, a URL, the vendor, the affiliate URL, and some other information. But you can tell by looking on Warrior Plus that you can at least get rankings. Like Commission Replicator only has 2 stars, and you can see how many sales there are. Once you have a product with an affiliate link so that you can promote it, you would go into your campaigns. From here, you can choose one of the done for you with Affilicites, Commission Replicator, or Recurring Profit Machine. Those are the 3 products that he suggested for us to promote. We'll take a look at one of these. It is just a basic squeeze page for an email opt-in. So you could come in and edit this, or you could create a new. I was able to create one earlier. If we take a look at that, you would title your campaign and give it a name. Then you have the option to choose from 8 different templates. They are simple templates, and simple does sell, so there's nothing wrong with that. As you scroll down, you would connect your autoresponder, choose the list or tag, and place your approved affiliate link to promote the product right here. You can also integrate your autoresponder from the top right in integrations, and you can choose from any of these 9 autoresponders to integrate. The poster settings and the social share text would be the information that you want to input if you were to post this on a social network. The boost setting is an upsell, and you would save your changes. If we go back, we'll take a look at this one I made. Again, super simple, super easy. That's how an opt-in should be. But to get an email address entered in here, you're going to need to get this page in front of people. You need eyes on this page for people to put their email addresses in. With Traffic Shark, your first option is on the left of this page, where you can share this socially to your current existing lists on Facebook, Twitter, or any of the hundreds of other options they're trying to give you here. And really, you're only going to use some of these top few, or 1 to 2. And my question is, if you were to send this out right now on Facebook or on Pinterest, is this going to go to your friends and family? Or is this going to go to people that know you do affiliate marketing and sell products and want to buy those products from you? Because if it is just going to go to your friends and family, they are not going to buy Traffic Shark from you. Your other option to get this seen, you would think would be the free traffic tab on the left. If we look at that, this is the exact same information that's in all of his platforms. And if we look back at Commission Loophole from August of 2021, it has exactly the same information. You're going to have a couple of apps he wants you to plug in. You're going to have a couple of apps. And then you can submit a form if you've done everything absolutely right, and then a couple of bonuses. Like I said, it's exactly the same in every one of his products. So that's not going to get any extra eyes on your campaign or your squeeze page either. Back inside the dashboard, the only thing I see different in this product is the social images section. I was able to come in here and build up a graphic. We'll take a look at that. Up at the top, it does tell you that there are some important notes about loading and zooming, so be sure you read that. But this is super basic. It's based on the layer system on the left, so you can move things around once you have them set. This seems much more complicated than something as simple as canva.com. It is free. There's tons of templates, and it's super easy to use. So for me, that definitely wouldn't be a reason to purchase Traffic Shark just for the social images builder. And the rest of everything else in here is upgrades, which we'll come back to in just a few minutes. But let's recap what Traffic Shark strategy is. You're going to create a squeeze page or an opt-in page, whatever you want to call it. And instead of using a thank you page or an offer or a bonus, your lead magnet is actually free access to the front end of one of Glynn Kosky's more than 2-year-old products. And for some reason, he thinks this is going to guarantee that you sell because you're going to be selling his upsells, because they already have access to the product, but they're going to need the upsells to make it work. You're still going to have to follow up with an email sequence and series to generate those commissions. And that's one of my biggest problems with Traffic Shark. They don't talk anything about this email series that you're going to need to follow up to get those commissions. It seems like Glynn Kosky's strategy is to get you to increase his sales on these 3 products that are over 2 years old by selling the upsells for them. Now, you may or may not get approved to promote these products. So if you can't give them free opt-in access, then this is nothing more than just a page builder. And if you've integrated one of these autoresponders like Aweber or GetResponse, they actually have page building capabilities that you can use already. So you wouldn't need to spend an extra $17 for Traffic Shark. My problems with the traffic are the same as they always are with these products. There is no free traffic in this section, so you're not going to get any extra names added to any of your email lists. And as far as the social sharing capability, we discussed that it's going to be your current existing lists of people that you already have. If you do happen to collect an email address or a lead here, I hope you're ready with a well thought out email sequence and email campaign. Because if you think you're going to get it from Glynn Kosky, you are going to have to buy the upsells as well. If we look at these upsells, there are a total of 8, but if we go back to the dashboard and look at the upsells on the right, there's a total of 9. And if we go down to the bottom where it says upgrade, there's a total of 10. So this is the same upgrade purchasing that you want your customers to get into, is to purchase upgrade after upgrade to try to make this product work, and the pieces will not be put together with any of these products or their upsells. If we look at commission replicators funnel, you can see the upsells are going to run $67 and $97. Some of the 47s are if they have discounts, but it's going to run about $67.97. That's going to be the same for all of his products. On commission replicator, this is his funnel. On recurring profit machine, this is the same funnel. I think there's a $30 difference. One of them should be 97 or 67, but they are all basically the same. This is Affiliates, and again, the same funnel. Since we are talking about upsells, we'll go ahead and look at Traffic Shark. Again, their upsells look just the same. This pricing structure is different from the pricing structure that you find in here, and I was only able to get up to 6 of the prices. So all total, Traffic Shark is going to run you anywhere from $609 to $808. And that's going to be the same with the products that you are promoting. You are going to be asking your customers to spend $609 to $808 for each one of these products. Look, there's nothing brand new about this. I showed you where this was released in August as commission loophole. They tell you it's for beginners all over the sales page, but that's if you can get approved for the affiliate link to promote the product. And as for free traffic or 80 million buyers, this is only going to go to your current existing social media lists. I'm going to leave this up to you whether you want to waste your time, money, and energy on Traffic Shark. Remember, if you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I really hope this Traffic Shark review answered all of your questions. If you still have questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.